What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it is another one on Gala. Not much movement from the crypto itself. As you can see, it's still down 5% in the last 24 hours, currently trading out just above the 5 cents target. So where is it heading to next? It's sleeping right now, but when is it gonna pop? Today, tomorrow? When is it gonna hit the 6 cents target? That's what we're gonna be going through in today's video. Or can it go the other way and keep dropping in value below the 5 cents target? So essentially covering both short-term and long-term investors, looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Should you wait for it to drop further? Should you sell it? Should you hold on to it? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So before I get started, if you guys did watch my video on Gala yesterday, where I mentioned can it potentially crash soon, and I did mention do expect it to take a little bit of a drop, and that is exactly what happened yesterday. As you guys can see here, if we go to the weekly chart, as you can see, over the last potentially 20 hours it has taken a slight dip in value yesterday afternoon, evening time. But just before that, about yesterday midday, I did put a video out saying do expect to take a little drop, and yeah, that's what happened. Anyways, in the last hour, it has more or less fluctuated. Over the last day, 4% down, over the week 4% up, and over the month it is still doing very well, guys, 223% up. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the CoinMarketCap website, and we can see here the trading volume has dropped by 40%, making it $255 million right now. And again, the only reason why it's dropped by 40% is because of not much movement from the crypto itself. As you can see, it's been trading at this current value here. Not many people are going to sell it, of course, because it's dropped. Not many people are going to be buying it right now because it hasn't dropped that much. So more or less, most people are just holding on to it at the moment. So the trading volume has gone down by 40%, which is quite major, because if you think about it, about 2 days ago the trading volume was nearly hitting $1 billion, and right now it has dropped all the way down to 255 million. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And at the top, we've got the usual SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, currently valuing Gala at just about 5 cents, and it is trading at 0.053. So very close, guys, meaning it's on target and performing like it's meant to. So it's not performing too well, but again, it's all about the waiting game, as I keep mentioning. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I get into all that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. Again, they're not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning minimal increases in value are expected over the coming hours. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, guys, we should be able to see Gala heading towards the 6 cents target, is what I'm expecting. Again, don't expect a major pump out of nowhere. It is going to be minimal, slow and steady increase is what we want to see. But do also expect red candles in between, but it just means the green candles are going to overtake the red candles, meaning an overall increase in value is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours, heading towards the 6 cents target. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning more increases in value are expected from Gala over the coming days. So this I'm talking about over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, very early next week. Once again, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Gala. So heading to about 7 to 8 cents is what I'm expecting towards the end of this week. And again, guys, that doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days, we are going to have green days. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So do expect an overall increase in value on Gala. And again, Guys, 7 to 8 cents is where I'm going to cap it at the moment, because we don't want to get too excited. As you guys know, Gala is full of surprises, but at the moment it's just taking a little step back, a little break as I call it. Moving on to the daily chart, we have taken a complete U-turn here, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. However, that's not what I'm expecting. I'm not expecting drops in value over the coming weeks. What I'm expecting is bullish. So more green candles are likely to appear over the coming weeks. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I'm expecting an overall increase in value on Gala. So by mid to late March 2023, I'm expecting Gala to be hitting the 10 cents target, or even going past the 10 cents mark target by late March is what I'm expecting from this crypto. But again, as you guys know, cryptocurrency is very volatile. A little news can have a major impact on the not just the value of Gala, but the whole crypto market in general. But if there is anything like that which can have either a positive or negative impact on the crypto market, I will of course keep you guys updated as soon as I can and as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So these are my takes and my predictions on Gala. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, but all of that doesn't matter because it's slowly and steadily gaining value, heading upwards towards hitting the green zone, which I am expecting us to hit the resistance target of 20 cents by mid-year and potentially break out from the red zone. In the second half of the year, we should essentially be trading in the green zone, and towards the very end of the year, we should be heading into the dark green zone, again depending on market conditions. But if we do manage to maintain, like the last 4 weeks have been very great, if we manage to maintain that for the rest of the year, then not just Gala but the whole crypto market will be very bullish this year. And hopefully it is, guys, because last year 2022 was not too much of a good year for the crypto market. So many crashes, and as you guys can clearly see with Bitcoin dropping down to, in its not even 22, but it was about $16,000 or $17,000 back in 2022. Anyways, these are my takes and my predictions on Gala. Comment down below if your views or your predictions have changed on this crypto. If so, what is your end of year target for Gala? What is the highest figure you can hit? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me. And at the end of the day, it's free to subscribe, so why not hit that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.